Hello FunXcies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna make a beautiful home decor for you guys with a little mermaid inside it. And guys, it's been a while since I've done a voiceover video and you guys were missing it a lot, so I thought why not, let's try it and bring the voiceover videos back again. So over here, as you can see, I've taken a plastic bottle as a base and then I've just chopped it off into a ring, and this is what I get. Then I'll just stick some crepe paper which is in blue shade and paint some white paints as well. Then I'll cover it with translucent sheet and I'll put some glue and then some thermocol balls in it. You can use any colors of your choice. Then I'll start painting some bubbles over here on top of the translucent sheet to give some bubble kind of effect. Then I'll take some paper over here and it's in green color. As you can see, it's a very pretty green color, and I'll start cutting off the bushes. So I'll just make the plants over here, and as you can see, it's really easy to make, as you have been following me since a lot of time and you guys already know how I make my crafts in a very easy yet very cute way. Then I'll take the pink color paper as well and I'll start just folding it like this, and then I'll cut it off to make a beautiful flower shape. You can also use some stamp cutters and make any kind of flowers you want if you're not so good at cutting it yourself. Then you can give highlight using some shades of color pens or anything you want, and as you can see, that kind of you just made some beautiful flowers on your own. Now I'll just assemble it using some hot glue gun and my tweezers. Then I'll use some super clay, and as you can see, I've taken the same green shade over here and I'll just use some of my sculpting tools and make the mermaid tail. Now guys, before going any further, I would like to thank today's sponsor, which is Escapewelt. It is a very beautiful company which builds these kinds of puzzles. These are proper wooden puzzles and it is very good for some brain power. And of course, if you want to purchase this, you can use my coupon code FunX for 10% discount, and as you can see, it's really good for your mental and your brain exercise, and you can also gift it to your friends and family, and you can see it's quite challenging and very fun to use. Guys, do check the link below in the description box and get yours too. Now guys, as you can see, the mermaid tail is ready. I'll also use some super clay in the skin shade and I'll start making the body for the mermaid. Now as you can see, I'm using some alcohol markers and making the face for the mermaid. You can use any kind of facial expressions you want. Now you can make the hands. Now is the time to make beautiful long wavy hairs, and for that I'm using super clay again, of course. So guys, now after the super clay has very quickly dried, I'll just use my paints and shade on the mermaid, and I'll use some beads. After that, I'll just stick it inside, and as you can see, I'm just putting some more beads over here and painting them. After that, I'm using my very strong glue and putting a translucent sheet on the other side as well so that it closes, and then I'll start painting and highlighting this part as well with some paints. As you can see, I've taken some silver cut paper over here, and with that I'll be making some lid over here for this. Once that is done, I'm also using silver glitter foam sheets and I'm just giving some 3D highlights to it. So as you can see, this is the final look guys. I really hope you guys like this video. See you next time. Bye bye.